Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hawkswork 2CH Airplane. The Hawkswork 2CH Airplane is the perfect RC glider for kids and beginners. With a built-in self-stabilization system, it is easy to fly and beginners can learn to fly it after just a few hours of practice. The lightweight and durable foam structure ensures that it will survive slight crashes. The 2.4 GHz radio control system allows for control in 4 directions and multiple planes can fly together without confusion. Technical support is available to solve any problems and a 1-year aircraft warranty and 3-month battery warranty is included. What we like: durable and resilient design. Great for beginners. Easy to learn controls. Good customer service. Extended playtime with extra batteries. What we don't like: wheels may bend easily. Can be difficult in windy conditions. Number 2. HobbyZone Apprentice STOL S700 RTF. The HobbyZone Apprentice STOL S700 is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced pilots looking to teach others how to fly. It comes fully equipped and nearly ready to soar right from the box, so you won't need to purchase any additional items. The innovative safe technology is designed to help you avoid crashes, making your learning experience smoother and more enjoyable. With a reliable 6-channel Spectrum controller, you'll have precise control, and the included trial version of the Real Flight Trainer Edition RC Flight Simulator will further enhance your flying skills. What we like: easy to set up. Great learning tool. Good motor performance. Suitable for small flying areas. What we don't like: elevators may be reversed. Not beginner friendly. Number 3. Hawkswork P51D Mustang RC Plane. The Hawkswork RC Plane is designed for easy flying, making it perfect for beginners and kids. Its built-in 6-axis Euro stabilization ensures a smooth flight experience, allowing you to learn quickly with just a few hours of practice. With 2 takeoff modes, you can enjoy hand launches or taxiing takeoffs, adding variety to your flying adventures. The powerful brushed motors enable you to switch between high and low speeds, providing thrilling options for every flight. Plus, with 2 rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy up to 40 minutes of flying fun. What we like: easy to fly. Durable design. Attractive colors. Great for beginners. Rechargeable battery. What we don't like: controls may require adjustment. Limited instructions included. Number 4. LEAMBE RC Plane with 3 modes. LEAMBE RC Plane is made of lightweight elastomer foam that makes it easy to fly. It comes with 3 modes: beginner, intermediate and experienced, which makes it easy to control and learn to fly at your own pace. The new propeller saver technology is used to save the RC plane from damage. It has a fuselage length of 14 inches, wingspan of 15 inches, and a flying time of up to 12 minutes on a single charge. Its 2.4 GHz radio control distance is within 656 feet. It is an amazing gift item for adults and kids. What we like: durable construction. User-friendly design. Long flight times. Exciting aerial stunts. Great value for beginners. What we don't like: transmitter reliability issues. Some difficulty in flying. Number 5. LEAMBE RC Plane. LEAMBE 4CH RC Plane is an easy-to-control remote-controlled airplane suitable for beginners. It has 2 aerobatic modes, 1 key aerobatic and 1 key U-turn, and a stable flight control assistance system to help beginners learn how to fly. With 2 batteries included, each providing up to 15 minutes of flight time, you can enjoy flying this plane for a long time. The airplane is made of EPP foam crash-resistant material and has a solid landing gear, making it durable and safe to land. With a maximum flying distance of 656 feet, LEAMBE 4CH RC Plane is perfect for outdoor games and toys. What we like: Easy to fly. Durable and crash resistant. Multiple battery options. Customizable Euro settings. Fun for all ages. What we don't like. Minor issues with parts. Short battery life.